Hi, I'm Shanae with WTI. So I finally found a lipstick that actually stays put for hours, and that is the Shine Loud Liquid Lipstick by NYX. So the shade I'm wearing it in right now is called Magic Maker. So as you can see, it's in between a pink and a nude. So let me show you a few things I like about this. First of all, I really like the applicator. It has a nice almond shape to it, so that pointed tip really helps you to get a nice precise application. Now, secondly, the formula is amazing. It has really high pigment, it dries matte, and once it's completely dry, it is not going anywhere. It's not going to transfer off your lips, so that means you can sip your coffee without having to reapply. Now, third, if you want to add some shine, as a bonus, it comes with this clear gloss, and so when used with a base, it really makes your lips pop. So I have been really impressed with the long-lasting wear of this lipstick, which in turn means that the product itself will last me for a long time, and the 2-in-1 is a nice bonus as well. So for me, this was definitely worth buying, and that is my point of view.